Also, the freeze miser can be used on the end of your water hoses up to 150 feet. Simply take the freeze miser and screw it on the end of your hose, then turn your water on. But in order to use it, you'd have to go back and forth to your faucet to turn it on and off. What I'd recommend you do is use a Y valve and screw it on the end of your faucet or into your water hose. Make sure it's on there tight, and make sure the freeze miser is on one end in the open position and this is off. Then you turn your water on and you're good to go. Now it'll protect your hose, like I said, up to 150 feet. This is in the on position, so therefore you have water going to your freeze miser. When you're done with the hose, just make sure that you keep it up off the ground, keep the end up. I put mine in a molasses tub and leave it laying in there, and that way when it does drip, it drips into my molasses tub. Then when I need to use my hose, I simply come over and then turn it on one end, on the open end, and when I'm done, I just simply turn it off, and then I'm done. And it keeps you from having to walk back and forth to the faucet to turn the water on and off.